Joe Marks, napaikot kami ni Joe Marks. It's very interesting si Joe Marks. Muntik na kasi, pero yung timbre kasi ng boses niya was very powerful. Pero umikot ako, pero nakita ko si Julie na nandun. Parang nalugi rin ako dahil it's all about the high voice, which Julie style, I choose you. Basta, still good. Sayang hindi napunta sa team ko, but I'm happy for him. I think matutulungan naman ni Coach Julie ng todo-todo.